Hi everyone. I am going to be doing a tutorial on the Socrative app, and it is an iPad assessment app that's used for assessment, obviously, and student engagement. There are actually two Socrative apps. One is Socrative Student, and this is the app that students use to complete the assessments, and Socrative Teacher, where teachers create the assessments and track student progress. And Socrative Teacher is the one I'm going to be presenting on. So this is an overview of the features that I'm going to be going into detail about in this tutorial. There are activities, quizzes, results, reporting, ease of use, and space race. And this image right here is actually what you see when you open the app from the teacher's end, obviously. You see your name at the top. You can see your students over here, how many students are using the app, and then all the features right here that you can utilize. There are many methods of engagement for both teacher and students through Socrative. There are quizzes, entrance and exit tickets, quick questions, space race, and class count. And class count gives teachers the ability to see who is logged on, completing the assignment in real time. And you'll see that up in this right-hand corner. When it's orange with numbers there, you can see how many students are using the app. Teachers can also create rooms through this app. So think of rooms as your individual classes. You can create up to 20 rooms, and each room can have 50 students in it. You can see right here the teacher and her list of rooms or classes that she has. And all you do to make a room is you click add room, and then you'll add the students to it and make a name for it, and then create a login for the students that they will use on the Socrative student app to connect to the room. Quizzes within the app are teacher created and personalized. So teachers design and edit their own assessments. Quizzes can either be multiple choice, true, false, or short answer. And quizzes are automatically graded within the app. When creating the quiz questions, teachers can actually choose a common core standard or a state standard to tag onto it. This helps to monitor progress and ensure that what students are learning aligns to the proper standards. And quizzes can also be shared with other teachers. So the quizzes and assessments that you create are shareable. And this is just a screenshot of the quiz page. So to create one, you just click add quiz, and then it would bring you over to a screen like this, and you would choose which type of assessment or question you want with it. So for results, student answers appear on the teacher's screen in real time, and this is what the screen would look like. So as you can see here, there's a math quiz that was going on. The 4 students that took it are listed right here, and then this grid shows there were 4 questions, and as the students are answering the questions, these boxes where the answers will pop up, meaning that the student answered them, and the responses are automatically graded. So with the auto grading and real-time results, this really helps to inform the teacher right away of student progress, so adjustments in the lesson can be made as needed, and differentiation can be utilized, up to the teacher's discretion. And teachers do have the option of clicking on an individual question. So click down here on the percentage to see the percentage of students that answered correctly and students that got the question wrong. So this also helps to inform and drive instruction. Reports can be generated. You can generate them at either a class level, an individual student level, or even question level to see progress and get an overview of which students may need additional support and which questions were missed by maybe a majority, so that you need to go back and kind of reteach that one subject or fact that the question was on. The app is really easy to use. Like mentioned before, students have their own account on a separate app, Socrative Student, and when taking an assessment, students only see one question at a time. Everything is really clean and easy to read. The app is not overwhelming, and it's not filled with distracting graphics and colors, because some students and even teachers struggle with that. with technology. And the answers are submitted right to teachers. So this is what they would be looking at when they're taking a quiz. This is one of the questions on this teacher-created quiz. So as you can see, it's only showing one question. There's nothing crazy going on to distract the student from the question. They can really just focus on that one question. This one is select the correct butterfly species. So there's nothing else that's going to distract them away from the question and thinking about their answer. The space race. This is a really fun assessment alternative that the app offers. Students can work alone or as a team to answer questions that are made by the teacher within the app. And with every right answer that the students provide, they watch as the rocket races across the screen to see who finishes first. So it turns a quiz and assessment into a game for them, which is really fun. There's also an in-app timer right here, and this means that the app does everything for the activity because the questions are created ahead of time. So the teacher can just turn it on, get the students set up, and then the teacher can really focus on the game or the assessment with the students, become involved and engaged during the assessment. So it's a really fun way to kind of track student progress and see where everyone's at. The app is very user-friendly. On the website outside of the app, there are overview videos available, and there is a support option on the site, and there's also within the app a help feature. So like I said, app is easy to navigate. There's no tricks to it. The images clear, easy to read. I've mentioned that before. There are no step-by-step instructions included either on the website or within the app. But like I said, the website has the support feature and the app has the in-app help feature. So if you did have a question or were struggling with something, you could easily find the answer that way. So why Socrative? Why use this as an assessment tool? It produces real-time results, so teachers can quickly adjust lessons as needed on the spot. And teachers can also spend more time with students and less time grading because the app grades the assessments for you. So teachers can easily see who needs more support and scaffolding and really get in there and involved with the students and not stuck behind papers grading throughout the entire day. And they can also see where there may be learning gaps, what lessons need to be revisited, which students do I need to keep an eye on for this particular subject. This app is also accessible anywhere that there is Wi-Fi. It is not solely an iPad app or an Apple app. You can use it on any device, Android, Apple, cell phone if you wanted to, computer, laptop, tablet. So it's really accessible, and it can be used at any time to assess student learning. I had mentioned in the beginning quick questions. That's a really quick way to just everyone open up your tablet and answer the quick question I've put out. It's not a quiz. It's just let me see what you've learned during this lesson really quickly so that I can figure out the next steps. And the questions, quizzes and questions that are created are saved in the app, so you can go back at any time to reuse them. If you want to track student progress, see how they've grown, or just use it for a different class, everything is saved right in there. So overall, Socrative is a simple and effective app for assessing student learning in the classroom. Thanks.